Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Drone Expo 2025, India's premier exhibition dedicated to drones, UAVs, and cutting-edge unmanned systems. Now let's go and explore. The Expo featured a diverse array of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, tailored for sectors such as defense, agriculture, logistics, and urban planning. Attendees witnessed live demonstrations of drones performing tasks ranging from precision mapping to emergency response simulations, highlighting their multifaceted applications.